Public speaking, presenting, standing up in front of a crowd. Does that give you goosebumps? Most people are terrified of standing up and making a point in front of other watching, listening human beings. In fact, when they do surveys around the world and they ask people, what is your number one fear? Death typically comes second, with public speaking topping the list. And what that teaches us is that at your average funeral, most people would rather be the guy in the box than the one delivering the eulogy. The reality of the thing is, it's not that difficult if you know what you're doing. Most people commit the sin of death by PowerPoint. They simply turn their back on the audience, point at a slide, read the words they have up on the screen, and bore people to tears. I believe you can do better. Let's talk about how you can make your point without PowerPoint. My name is Douglas Kruger. I'm a 5-time winner of the National Championships for Public Speaking, and I've been inducted into our Professional Speaking Association's Hall of Fame. I've made every mistake you can possibly make, and I know how you can do better. Let's talk about that.